Guys, welcome back to part 2 of this quick unboxing. So we learned a lot already. If you open the box the other way, you will destroy the box in the process. Hooray. Anywho, what you get in this case is a cable. Let's see what cable this is. It looks like a USB-C cable, which is cool because you can use it for your VR sets, and a bunch of things now use USB-C, which is pretty cool. Not sure if it's better than lightning cable or whatever, but you know, it seems to be compatible with more devices, so that's supposed to be a good thing. Cool. Let's take off this little elastic band that keeps it together, and we can see that this is a considerably long cable, which is going to make life easier, and hopefully it'll work. Well, hopefully it'll run. Looks
Likey